All right, welcome. Today we want to blur face for video, like how you go fit a blur face for video. So we import the video. I already download the video. I download the video for a free site. You understand? Freepic.com. Yeah, you can as well go there and download yours. So as we download the video, we bring down to the timeline and duplicate, like I Ctrl C and V. You understand? That's shortcuts. So let's work on it now. Okay, bring in the blur effects. Bring in the blur effects to the first clip. Then we click on marks. Then click on circle. Then we try to shape in the circle to the face. You understand? So you just try to shape onto the face. Yeah. Take over the face. Then we add a keyframe. Then we go add keyframe. So after this, we'll put the keyframe now. So the one I want to do my own. As I put keyframe, I use my arrow for my keyboards to press forward. You understand? I'm pressing forward. Then I come back, I adjust the marks again. I press forward with my arrow on my keyboard. I adjust the marks again. So that's what you take do. I want to see you cover the person face throughout that clip when you want. You understand? So we'll go fast the video now. This one faster, me you see. You understand? You can as well do your job. Make your job clean past my own. Your job fit clean past my own. Me, I'm just showing you the basic. You understand? So now see Anna with a plan again. So everything is full clean covered. You can't see that guy's face.